There is a brand new way to create Pinterest video pins just like this.
Join the free workshop to stop your dog from barking too.
To drive buyer traffic to high-paying, high-converting affiliate offers just like this with a working Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy that I'm going to show you exactly how to set up in under only 12 minutes from now. If you get value from this video, please smash that like button, hype the video. My name's Justin, let's get into it. So you first want to get signed up to this high converting affiliate program, which is an online dog training course run by the Canine Training Institute. Now, not only does this affiliate offer pay extremely high affiliate marketing commissions, but the offer itself is also an extremely high converting offer, paying us anywhere between $100 to around $150 in affiliate marketing commissions every single time somebody clicks onto our affiliate link, which I'm going to show you exactly how to retrieve in just a second, and purchases this 10-week online dog training program. And the reason this offer converts so highly is because we're first of all going to be driving traffic with Pinterest pins like this to their free online dog training workshop, which is run by one of the most respected service dog trainers in the US, alongside a well-known Animal Planet TV show host, who not only do an incredible job of covering a wide range of dog training topics like the ones that you can see right here, but they also do an incredible job in that free workshop of upselling that paid 10-week online dog training program, and every time that upsell happens, we'll earn an affiliate marketing commission. And by driving traffic to that free online dog training workshop from Pinterest specifically, which is a tool for high-income shoppers reaching 40% of US households with an annual income of over $150,000, and noting that 51% of all US households own a dog, and with thousands of high purchase intent searches occurring on Pinterest related to dog training tips and how to stop my dog from barking, chewing, jumping, and the list goes on, we can drive traffic to that free workshop, and every time that upsell happens, we can earn some really high affiliate marketing commissions via an affiliate program that anybody can get signed up to completely for free with no approval process needed. And to get signed up to that affiliate program, I'll leave a link to the affiliate program in the description of this video. You simply want to click onto where it says join now. Now, in the sign up form, you'll see a field which says website URL. Feel free to leave that blank. You don't need a website. That is not a mandatory field, but you will need a PayPal email address. That is how you're going to get paid your affiliate marketing commissions. Going back over to the affiliate page where it says when and how will you get paid, it does say that all payments are made via PayPal. So once you've entered in those sign up details and you've clicked onto where it says I accept the terms and conditions, you simply want to click onto where it says start promoting now. You'll then immediately see a link to your affiliate dashboard, allowing you to track the amount of traffic that you generate and the amount of affiliate marketing commissions that you can earn. And you'll of course also see your affiliate link right here, which we're going to be driving traffic to via Pinterest pins just like this, which we can now suddenly create using a new incredible AI feature that's literally only just been released using my Pinterest pin creation tool of choice, which is Kittle. I'll leave a link in the video description. Once you click onto that link and you sign up to your free Kittle account, you will be taken to a page like this, and to very easily create your Pinterest pins, you simply want to click onto where it says new project on the top right here. You then want to click onto where it says social, and you want to scroll down and you simply want to click onto where it says Pinterest pin. And by simply clicking onto this Pinterest pin board, underneath it where it says describe what you want to create, I can simply type in create an image of a man in his mid-30s with a golden retriever, and with the Nano Banana Pro 4K image generation tool selected, I will simply click onto where it says generate. And with this incredible super realistic image now generated, what I'm now going to show you is how we can use it as a reference image to create a ton of really high quality Pinterest video pins to drive a ton of traffic to that free online dog training workshop via our affiliate link. And every single time a purchase is made via the upsell in that workshop, we're going to earn some really high affiliate marketing commissions. So I'm going to head back back over to our Kittle canvas, and here is how you do it. Wait until you see what this feature can do, guys. The first thing I'll do is to move this image out the way a little bit so I can click onto some of this white space on this Pinterest pin artboard. And on the right-hand side, I'll simply click onto where it says add a smartboard. Now, before we create our Pinterest pin using this smartboard, I'm going to move our image back into here. This again is our reference image. I'll click onto the smartboard, change the dimensions to that of a Pinterest pin, which is 9 by 16, and I'll simply type in a prompt like this, which says, using the same person, create an image of them looking frustratingly at their dog barking, basically. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to give you access to this exact prompt. What I'm then going to do is simply click onto where it says generate. And it's given us this image right here of that same man looking at his dog who won't stop yapping or barking. And I've actually prompted the image generation tool to say from yappy at the top of the Pinterest pin. This is super important, guys. You're going to see why in a second. It really helps to maximize conversions by first depicting the pain point of your potential customer, right? The dog won't stop barking. That is the pain point. The next thing you want to do is to present the solution and then turn that into a video. Here's how. In a similar fashion, I'm again going to click onto that reference image, move it out the way a little bit, click onto the white space, again click onto where it says add a smartboard. And after again changing the smartboard dimensions to 9 by 16, using this as our reference image, I've now typed in this prompt, which I'm also going to share with you. I'm going to click onto where it says generate. And it's generated this pin for us right here with a strong call to action at the bottom, as you can see, which says free workshop, which is how we're going to be driving that traffic via our affiliate link. And if you look at the first pin, it says from yappy. The second one says to happy. So it's giving you the pain point and the solution. Now check this out, guys. I'm simply going to highlight both. At the top here, click onto where it says add a video board, and with the top image labeled as our first frame and the bottom image labeled as our end frame, I will simply type in a prompt like this, which you'll also get access to. At the bottom here, I can select from a wide range of different video generation platforms. All the best video generation platforms are integrated with this new feature, guys. One of my favorites is VO 3.1, because with VO 3.1, if I click onto this symbol over here, I can select with audio, and with one click, I'll go to where it says generate. To get a video just like this, let's hit play.
Join the free workshop to stop your dog from barking too.
Now, to absolutely maximize the amount of traffic that we can drive with this Pinterest video pin via our affiliate link to that free workshop, which is extremely effective in upselling their paid online dog training program, to maximize the amount of those affiliate commissions that we can generate, I first want to show you how we can upload our pin to Pinterest in a very specific way to maximize that high intent buyer traffic. The first thing I'll do is to right click onto my video pin, go over to where it says quick export, and export as an MP4. And you want to create a free Pinterest business account which permits affiliate links to be promoted on Pinterest by going to business.pinterest.com. Once you've created your account, I can simply click onto where it says create content, how to make pins, click onto where it says create pin to upload the video pin that we just downloaded. You then want to click onto where it says edit cover and click onto any one of the frames in your video. Let's go with this one right here, presenting the problem of your dog that won't stop yapping. Now, to maximize the amount of high converting clicks that you get onto your pin, the first thing I'll do is to copy over our affiliate link and paste it into where it says link right here. And what I'm going to do is to head over to the Pinterest home feed and utilize their autocomplete search feature. And first of all, type in something related to our pin, such as how to stop barking. And here we can see exactly what people are searching for who would specifically be interested in attending an online free dog training workshop with the goal of stopping their dog from barking. As you can see, guys, specific search terms are how to teach your dog to stop barking, how to stop excessive dog barking. And if I type in dog training more broadly, we can also see that people are searching for dog training course, dog training tips. If I type in dog training free, here we have dog training tips online free. And what you want to do with all of these keywords is simply choose a few and amalgamate them to form a Pinterest pin description just like this, containing a wide range of those different highly searched for keywords such as excessive dog barking. And you want to take the broadest possible one that relates specifically to your pin and include that in the title, which I've done to say how to stop your dog from barking, along with an incentive to click onto the pin, which is that free dog training workshop. I'll simply click onto where it says publish, and your pin will not only be optimized for Pinterest search, appearing right in front of the exact type of audience likely to be interested in signing up to a free dog training workshop, but it also stands out massively among the competition, and the call to action is explicitly clear, as you can not only see but also hear.
Join the free workshop to stop your dog from barking too.
And this Pinterest strategy works for promoting a wide range of other affiliate offers too. Let's say, for example, that I wanted to drive sales for this Breville Barrister Pro coffee machine via my Amazon affiliate link. I can very easily create videos just like this. And I've also included this exact video in the Kittle project that I've shared with you in the video description, along with all of the corresponding images that I used to create that video. And again, guys, if you click onto any one of these images, any one of these videos, you can see the exact prompts that I used to create them. And I've also left another link in the video description containing a free affiliate guide, containing a list of affiliate programs that you can get signed up to with no approval process, containing products that you can use for this exact strategy. This is extremely easy to get started with. Pinterest is a free source of affiliate traffic, and what I will say, guys, although you can get signed up to Kittle completely for free, I do recommend upgrading to either the Pro or the Expert version. I'm currently on the Expert plan, and the reason for that is primarily, if I scroll down, guys, as you can see, with the Expert plan, you're simply able to generate a lot more of those video generations and those image generations as well, depending on the image or video generation model that you use. And if you type in the promo code RMSYT in all caps, you'll get a 25% discount on any one of these plans for life. And if you got value from this video, please make sure that you smash that like button, hype the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys very shortly in the next online money making video. Take care.